Ever wonder why your imports break? The number one mistake developers make is forgetting the curly braces when importing named exports. Let's fix that. Named exports require curly braces around the import name. Here's the syntax. You write import, then curly braces with the function or variable name inside, then from and the file path. This tells JavaScript you're importing a specific named export, not a default export. Without the curly braces, your code will fail. Here's the catch. The name inside the curly braces must match the exported name exactly. JavaScript is case sensitive. If you export calculate total but try to import calculate total with a lowercase t, you'll get an error. The names must be identical. File paths matter too. For local files, use relative paths with // for the current directory or .. for parent directories. For installed packages, just use the module name. No / needed. Get this wrong and your imports won't resolve. You can import multiple named exports in one line by separating them with commas inside the curly braces. And if you need to avoid naming conflicts, use the as keyword to create an alias. Import calculate total as get total lets you use a different name in your code while importing the original export. Remember, named exports need curly braces and exact name matching. Master this and you'll write cleaner modular JavaScript. Practice importing named exports in your next project. Ready to practice for your next interview? Interview Mentor lets you answer real questions just like this one. After each answer, you get a detailed grade and personalized tips to improve. Watch your scores climb as you keep practicing.